Hi everybody, this is Christy. Now the funky colors, they're pretty hot for the summer. As you can see, I'm definitely a fan favorite. So Matrix has this really cool tool to help remove some of those direct dyes. And it's called the Matrix Socolor Cult Eraser. It's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna show you today what it can do on two different steps. We're gonna do for 5 minutes and then for 30 minutes, just to give you a blank canvas to start fresh for your client, whether they wanna go back to a different color or maybe back to the original blonde, but we'll see what it can do. We're gonna take this swatch of Royal Purple in Semi and show you what it can do with the Socolor Cult Color Eraser. We're gonna leave it on for 5 minutes first, so you can see what kind of canvas you've got going on there. Then after that, we're gonna still leave on that same product for 30 minutes, which is the full processing time, to show you what kind of blank canvas you can work with for your client. So let's get started. We're going to take a swatch of Socolor Cult Royal Purple in Semi, and we're going to use our Socolor Cult Color Eraser and see what we've got going on. We're going to leave it on for 2 different times. First, we're going to leave it on for 5 minutes and see what we've got going on, and then we're going to leave it the full time that is allotted is 30 minutes. Now to use Socolor Cult Color Eraser, you need just one full packet, and follow the manufacturer's instructions for direct dyes is what we're working with. So we're going to use 2 ounces of warm deionized water. So we're going to take the packet, just pour it into our bowl. We're going to add the warm water. I did measure this as 2 ounces, and we're going to mix it up. You will notice the consistency when you're using it is very watery, but it does make for a very easy application when you're working on your client's hair. It's very fast and easy to work with. So we're going to take our swatch, and I'm going to dip it in. I'm going to leave just a little bit out so you can see what we originally started with, so you can see the time progression. I'm going to put this in there and make sure it's very well saturated. Always want to make sure it's saturated. Like I said, we're going to leave this on for 5 minutes first and see what we've got working. So here's our swatch after being in the solution of Socolor Cult Color Eraser for just 5 minutes. You can see this is our original color, which is our Royal Purple and Semi. And because purple is made of blue and red, you can see that green that's kind of hiding from that purple from being in the color eraser but not being fully saturated. And here's our blonde. So let's submerge it the rest of the time and see what we get. So we're going to leave it in for the 30 minutes and see what our canvas looks like now. Now 30 minutes have passed and look at what we've got. We've got a brand new swatch, so you can see where we started with the purple. And now that green band is gone. All that's left up there is the purple that originally was there, which is our Socolor Cult Royal Purple in Semi, and now we are ready for a brand new color. This is something that you can use in your salon for a quick fix. Maybe your client can't have that color anymore, or they're just ready to go back to blonde, or they're ready for a new color. I know I'm always game for a new funky color. So this is something easy that you can have in your salon just to switch it up.